Today we'll be installing a new solution for 2005 to 2006 Nissan Altimas, the DP-7419. Start by unclipping and removing the trim panel surrounding the climate controls. Next, remove the Phillips screws securing the climate control, then remove. After the climate control is removed, unclip and remove the panel surrounding the radio and AC vents. Then remove the 4 Phillips screws securing the radio. Next, install the aftermarket radio. Here we'll be preparing the new kit with some parts from the OEM kit. Start by removing the factory vents and gauges. Then remove the factory panel clips. Now, secure the gauge trim panel to the DP-7419 panel. Note, screws have been provided in the event that the factory hardware is lost. Then secure the factory vents and gauge cluster using the factory hardware. If your vehicle is not equipped with the factory gauges, then please use the included blank trim panel. Then place over radio and reassemble the dash. For any more information on this product or other brands, you could visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.